Hello. In this video I will be reviewing the average daily range indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
This indicator helps us use the ADR indicator and the average daily range to roughly estimate where the price will be limited from above and below on the current day. As you can see, this indicator shows the start of the day with a vertical line, and we have two lines above and below, indicating that from the day's low, we go up by 1 ADR, and it places a horizontal line there for us. This indicates that if the price is going to move, its maximum movement will likely be up to this point. It also places a line 1 ADR below the day's low, indicating that if the price is going to have a downward movement, its maximum movement will likely be up to this area. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the ADR indicator period. The next option is the style of the lines, which we can choose from these options. The next option is the width of the lines, where we can set a number between 1 and 5. The next option is also the color of these lines, which we can specify. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.